Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. See ya, I had a heart. So, yeah, see ya again here. All you fans, you must be smiling. Let's do another See Ya, I had a heart. And we have a couple of chords to go over here. No need for any cape on this one. Alright, so we'll start with the chords right away. And A minor is the first chord. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Over to C, and that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. G next, so third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. We have a D minor, so that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. Speaking of E, that's the next chord. And that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, open E. And of course, we have to throw in a bar chord, so we do the F here. So that's a bar placed on the first fret. You bar all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. So there you have the chords, guys. Let's take a look now at the first part, the verse play. We're gonna play just straight downs for verse and the pre-chorus. So A minor 2, C2, G2, and D minor 2. 2 rounds of that. So again. 2 rounds of that is the verse, and then over to pre-chorus. You're gonna continue the downs here. You're gonna play F2, D minor 2, and G4 for 2 rounds. Second round, F2, D2, and G2. Just some technical stuff so far. In the verse, you had a transition here from A minor to C. What you do there, you don't have to release everything and go to C and find that. You can just switch your ring finger there from the second fret G string and just put it on the third A. And there you go with the C. Very easy transition there from A minor to C. And the same goes actually from F to D minor. It's a lot to take away like this and find a way to D minor. You almost have to, but you can keep the second fret G string there. Okay, you use that for F, you also use that for the D minor. So just recuperate your finger like this, all right? So from F to D minor, very easy. All right, so far we learned the verse play and the pre-chorus. Now the chorus. And I suggest now you could go and continue with the downs. If you do that, then you will do 2 downs for all these chords I'm gonna mention now. But I suggest that you do a strumming pattern here instead. And that pattern is about 6 downs, of course, faster. So if you grab the first chord of this chord progression in the chorus, it will be the C. So I suggest you do this. So 1 round is 6 downs. And you want to emphasize the 4th down. So you play on the bass strings for all the downs, except from the 4th. You go down and play on the higher strings down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, that is what I suggest. Then you do just 1 strumming pattern per chord. If not, just continue with the downs like you did in the verse and pre-chorus, and you do 2 downs per chord. The chord progression will be C, F, D minor, and G. That's the first half. The second half is almost the same, just different ending. You have C, F, D minor, and instead of G, you play the E. So, C, F, D minor, and G. C, F, D minor, and E. That is 1 round of the chorus. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. After this chorus comes the second round of everything. The second verse played in the same way as the previous verse, and also the same with the pre-chorus played in the same way. So everything repeats itself on the second round, the second chorus as well. But after the second chorus comes a bridge part. We're about 2 minutes and 15 seconds into the song. What you do here is to play another chorus play round, just one round. And after this bridge part, you kick back to the third and final chorus. So you're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and that wraps it up for the song here. So basically, when you start to play the second chorus, you have 2 rounds of that there, then another round of the bridge, and then you go 2 rounds again in the third chorus. So basically you have 5 rounds of chorus play from the second chorus till the very end. All right, so that is how I handled See As I Had a Heart. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, feel free to support me here. Give me a like, maybe a comment, subscribe to this channel. I'm very, very happy and grateful. So thank you so much, and play tuned.